Officer Morales, okay? Basically, want to talk to you about something. You match the description of a female that we're looking for right now. Why are you out of breath? What's going on?
Oh, no, I was on the phone. I just got wet.
You match the description of a female we're looking for. You mind if I get your ID?
Yeah. I matched the description.
Did you,
All right, so I had bought something from there.
So you brought something from there? What did you get?
I got my receipt and everything.
She do got a Carter's bag, so she's brought stuff out of
I
there.
got my receipts and everything.
So just ask them.
Copy, I'll be on that.
Okay. All right. We'll just get your ID and then we'll confirm if it's you or not. All right.
I called you guys as she was running the corner, and her breasts were suddenly huge because she stuffed all the product down her shirt and into her purse.
So what?
Oh, she got a Carter's bag?
Yeah.
Okay. We're going to figure it out.
About how much did you think they took?
Probably like $1,000.
$1,000?
Wow.
They took.
You could provide an itemized receipt.
We're out with one of the females. She does have a Carter's bag.
Are they at the Nike store, at least one of them? Are you able to walk over there and ID them?
We'll be at the Nike store.
Everything. What did she say about Carter? What was supposed to be said about Carter?
Ma'am, can you just step out the car for me, please? Okay. Let me see your bag.
You're not under arrest. All right. You just detained right now. All right.
We'll head back there and look at cameras. You guys got cameras, right?
Yes, we do.
Well, I ain't doing nothing, so I know I ain't under
Put
arrest.
your phone over there.
Okay.
Okay. For right now, you're just going to be detained, okay? So I have to place you in cuffs.
I don't be detained though.
You're not under arrest. Like we said, you match description with somebody that stole items from Carter's. Okay. You have a Carter's bag. And once they come over here where they say it is or not you, then we'll talk to you further on that, right?
Oh, that's still not all my stuff right there.
That's why I said, like, once they confirm it is or not you, if it's not you, then we'll let you go. But it is you, then we'll have a talk about that, right?
Apparently, we just got a call about, two females matching the description you're wearing. My partner saw you go inside the vehicle. I'm just going to read you something too, okay? Because you are entitled to your rights. You're not under arrest. You're just detained, but I have to read you your rights, okay? You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say may be used as evidence against you. You have the right to talk to an attorney. I have him heard with you now anytime during question. If you cannot afford an attorney, won't be appointed to represent you. If at any time you wish to stop talking, I have an attorney present. All questions will be stopped at your request. Do you understand your rights?
Yes.
With these rights of mine, you want to talk to me or any one of my partners that come on scene and ask you questions.
Okay.
Yes?
I want to talk to the lady in Carter's because I'm trying to figure out what I'm supposed to do too.
Well, we're trying to figure out too.
Wish we could grab two of them. One is better than none, right?
And that's pretty much it. Someone just stealing from Carter's. You have a Carter's
my stuff
bag.
right there.
Okay, but you have a Carter's bag, okay? And, we have to make sure that everything's accounted for in that bag.
Okay.
Okay?
Who you waiting on?
I'm waiting on my partner to see.
Basically, they're going to bring somebody over here, right? You want me to put your phone in your pocket so I don't get over there? Yeah.
There's no injury.
How long is it going to take her to get over here?
Ooh, let's see what my partner's at. This radio is trash. Restrooms?
Say whether it is you or whether it's not you. Like I told you, if it's not you, then we let you go. If it is you, then we'll have a conversation, see what they want to do, right?
Okay.
Huh. I don't know if it's over there or over here somewhere. I have no idea.
There's one all the way down next to Auntie Anne's. That's the only one I know.
You got a flashlight? Flashlight.
They're both negative valid.
Okay, she was in there. I would like to know what she see me too.
Positive ID.
Okay.
Central copies 1932.
So,
What'd you say?
I want to know
His
what
sister's walking somewhere. She doesn't know where she's
she was out here with her baby daddy. That's what I'm saying. I don't know if she left with him. I'll have to call her.
Gotcha. Is this your car?
No.
Where's the car you came in? Where's your sister
All my
now?
stuff right there. That I got. All my stuff is right there with my receipt.
Gotcha.
So why is she saying?
Where's your sister at?
I don't know. She might have went with her baby daddy. She was out here with him.
You want to call her?
She gone.
Okay, perfect. We'll do a warrant for her, and then you're gonna be taking a ride too. You can hang up the phone now.
Taking a ride for what? I didn't steal
For
anything.
shoplifting.
I'm not taking off the cuffs.
You want me to call it with the cuffs on?
You just had your phone in your hand with the cuffs on.
I know, but it's uncomfortable.
You're just being detained for right now.
Probably takes you until another time.
Okay.
I have my stuff right here. I didn't steal anything.
Did we recover the items?
Those are the items that apparently she paid for.
Man, this is crazy. So you're trying to take me to jail and I didn't take anything?
You're saying you paid for these?
Yes.
Is there a receipt in here for these? Okay.
You guys ready yet or no?
Yeah.
She want to talk?
Yeah, she talked. She said basically, she went in there to buy some stuff. She didn't steal nothing. All that stuff that's on the receipt is stuff that's in the bag.
I thought y'all said y'all was going to get her to identify me so I could show her that I didn't take anything.
Yeah, she identified you. You put the flashlight in her face. She identified you.
Except this is a receipt from Sanford.
Yeah.
You held my stuff at the counter. So what
Okay.
did I say? You held my stuff at the counter. It's the same bag I had.
What car is y'all's?
That's the same. That's not my car.
Is this the car you guys came in?
No.
She's chilling in. She's just chilling in.
She got in when I got
It's
her.
her car.
So is there anything in the car?
No.
You got the keys for the car?
No.
Perfect.
Should you got cut off? Disregard those for you. Copy.
If you're going to take me, go ahead and take me. I ain't got time for all this. Go ahead and do what y'all finna do. She saying this and that. I know I'm going to beat it because I didn't steal nothing out of there. So,
We'll have security come over and tow it, and we'll just have to do the inventory prior to towing.
oh, what you got to do? It's not mine, and I'm not giving no authority to search nobody's car.
Well, it's not your car, so you can't get that authority anyway.
This is the girl that. So the one lady came in, brought it to the counter. She went behind and already took some baby girl items, left the store, and came back again.
Okay.
Oh, you wanted to search
She
it?
saying she told me something. She lying. She didn't see me steal nothing. Let me see my phone.
No, it's okay.
No, hang it up because it's calling somebody. I didn't try to call nobody. You can hang it up. It's calling somebody. Could you hang it up? I don't know who's on the phone. I don't know who's on my phone. Could you hang it up?
We'll do it in a second.
Let's go over here so
Like
we
you
can
got somebody sitting on my phone. I don't know who that is.
Okay, come on.
Let's go over here. I got stuff in my back seat, so I can put it back there.
Let's go right here to this Tahoe.
She claimed that she had to do an exchange because she had twin baby boys that were a year old.
Yeah, but look at this. Card declined, canceled. Card declined, canceled. So they're using.
When we get to our police department, the officers over there, I'm pretty sure they'll let you call somebody or give you a number where you can call.
Can I call her?
She needs to do her job now. We have to do our job.
They're using stolen credit cards. Look at all these different cards that are declined.
Perfect.
Whoa.
Canceled, canceled, canceled.
I'll take it.
Declined. Declined.
We'll see if it's on her property now.
Okay.
Quarter.
Yeah.
Get her out there.
All those transactions are declined transactions.
Where is that? My phone right here?
Huh?
Is that my phone right here?
Okay. We'll close. Watch your feet.
The date was August 24, 2025, and at 6:30 p.m., a high-end shoplifting spree at a Carter's in Florida came to a crashing halt. Officers responded to a call reporting two women who had allegedly stuffed over $1,000 worth of merchandise down their shirts and into their purses before walking out. Upon arrival, police intercepted one suspect in the parking lot. She pointed to a bag of baby clothes, insisting she had receipts, but the truth was far more complex. A quick investigation revealed that while she had attempted to pay, every transaction had been declined or canceled, the hallmark of stolen credit card fraud. While her sister fled the scene in a Mercedes, leaving her behind, officers discovered a treasure trove of stolen goods inside the vehicle. The car was immediately impounded on a felony hold for its use in retail theft. The suspect was read her rights and taken into custody, facing a long list of theft and fraud charges. Subscribe for more videos and witness the frontline fight against crime with Bodycam Real Files. Hit the notification bell so you never miss a new high-stakes investigation.